Hey, so if you want to create Instagram Reels quickly without editing everything manually, you can actually do it for free using Dola AI. In this video, I'll show you the full process step by step. Alright, first, go to Dola AI and sign into your account. If you don't have one yet, just create it using your email. Yeah, it's quick. Once you're in, look for the Video Creator or Short-Form Video tool. This is where you'll build your Instagram Reel. Now select a vertical format, like 9 by 16. This is important because Instagram Reels are designed for mobile viewing. Next, write your idea or script. Keep it short, engaging, and hook the viewer in the first few seconds. Then, add visuals. You can upload your own clips or use AI-generated visuals from the tool. Now add background music or an AI voiceover. This helps make your reel more engaging and professional. Next, use auto-edit features to trim clips, add transitions, and sync everything smoothly. Finally, preview your reel. If it looks good, export it and upload directly to Instagram. So yeah, that's how you can make Instagram Reels using Dola AI for free. It's fast, simple, and perfect for content creation. If this helped, feel free to check out more AI tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.